Hey everybody, so I just started unboxing these Hunter boots from the Target collaboration, and I realized that with the way that I'm filming it doesn't make sense to do it live, so there's a very short little video in the that I posted before this. Oof. And that is just the initial unboxing of these, but then I still have something else. But, so let's keep looking at this. So, I was just saying that these shoes, for everybody who's interested, these shoes are Hunter for Target, rain boots. There we go. Here's just what the tags say. And then if you're interested, I hope maybe this will work. If you're interested, here is the number. These were $35. I used my red card, which saved me 5% off of these. I'm gonna try them on, but I can't try them on easily without. Ugh, I can't really try these on too well. I'm just gonna insert a picture of me wearing them. Okay, everyone, so that did not go very well. They made my feet look so big, and they're just wide, and they're not flattering at all. Those are definitely going back. Those are terrible. Now it's time to see the ones that I'm most excited for, which are the tall boots, which the men's are the only ones that are available at the moment, because there was like a recall on the women's ones. So let's see. Wow. Look at these. Whew. Very chemical smell. Very chemical smell. Okay, so I'm gonna just... Here's what they look like. I'm gonna quickly unbox them and then continue. Okay, so got them out of the bags. This is what they look like. Ooh. So there's this Hunter on the top. They have a different shape on the top. It's kind of taller on this side, shorter on this side. They have a black tip. That's what they look like. They don't look as bad as the other ones, but I'm gonna go try it on. On the inside, let's see. Inside it says 13, which is the size. Man-made materials upper, man-made materials outsole, made in China, Target, and then just numbers. The tag is similar. These were $40. Sorry, I just heard something outside. And then they do have this, what I do like is they have like this nylon loop to help get them on. So I'm gonna go try them on and I'll insert pictures. Okay, everybody, so the final verdict, they're both getting returned. This pair makes my feet look huge. And you can definitely tell that there's some quality issues. Like, these are brand new shoes, and like, if you can see, there's that little speck at the very top there. People were complaining of, like, look, the Hunter logo right under, it's gonna be hard to see. Under the end, there's a scratch there. Which pair was it? Was it on these? On the Target logo, there's a scuff there. Look at this. So, that seam in the back, that big seam, I mean, that one's fine. And look, there's already a hair on it. But like, look on this one. That is just messed up. That's not right. And then the taller ones, I like the taller ones better. Oh, they still smell so strange. They smell just like rubber. But like, even, like, you can see that kind of weird fold near where the Target logo is. So that would probably only get worse over time. I don't know, it's just a lot of wrinkling. They feel, I mean, okay, but it's just, they just don't look finished. They look very rushed, which I am sure that they were. I've seen other videos where there was a lot of glue residue, which I don't see here. I really do think that if these were made with the black tips and the black bottoms like these, I would have liked them a lot more, but that's just a big no. So they are both going to go back as soon as I can get them back, because these are just, no. Two big nopes, and they're heavy too. I did not expect them to be this heavy. I don't know. They're very heavy. And I don't know, it's just kind of disappointing. They're pretty well, I mean, I would say that they're pretty, for the 3 minutes that I walked in them, they're pretty soft, but I don't know. They're so heavy. It's crazy. So really that's it. That's just my quick little unboxing. Again, the first part was already uploaded, which I might just delete it. But yeah. Oh my gosh, there's so much hair on these. I need to wipe them off before I return them. Just get like a wet wipe. But yeah, so if you are considering buying anything from Hunter, just look at them and don't settle for something that is subpar. If the things that I pointed out don't bother you, then, you know, go ahead, get them. But it just seems very unfinished to me, and I'm just not happy with the product, so that's why I'm just gonna return it. If you just needed this for a very quick pair, and it's I feel like when it comes to Target collaborations, it's more about, let's put the label on something. And like, I can see quality in certain areas, but not all of them. And the areas where they're not, it's just, I don't know, it's not working for me. I don't see it. So that's unfortunate, because I was really looking forward to, I've always wanted a pair of Hunter boots, but these are not going to be in my collection. I also kind of thought that these would be shorter. They kind of hit at a weird spot for me, but I will talk to y'all later.